What's up guys, Ahron in here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make an exploding tree trap. So, you can fool your friends by using this trap, so I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So let's go and try that one. So you can see, I'm clicking exploding tree trap right now, and let's go and try that. Some Minecrafter starts in here. So, and they start in there. Then, this is the last they break. If they break that, oh my god, I'm dead, oh! Well, that was a lot of fun to fool your friend. So, I'm gonna teach you how to do that one. Oh yeah, that was a massive explosive. So let's get and let's start. So you're gonna need oak sapling, redstone, TNT, redstone torch, lever, and of course bone meal and then grass blocks to cover your trap. First thing, the tree. Yeah, there, tree. Hey tree. And you're gonna dig oh, you're gonna dig a 3 by 3 hole. And dig, 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 dig. Come on. And like that. So, making it like this. You're gonna like that, and you're gonna break this too. You're gonna put a redstone in here and some redstone torch. And down of the tree, we're gonna put the lever and that. Yes, redstone torch can flash up TNT to blow it up. So if they break that one, this redstone torch will light and blow that TNT. So please a little left. I wanna throw it. Come on, you can do that. You can do that, you can. Oh, where is it? It's coming. Okay, there you go. And if I break, just serious. Gonna put that. Oh, I said put, not break. Gonna put the TNT in there. Another hole in there. TNT. But you can make it more explosive if you put more TNT. And TNT. So like that. And then you're gonna cover this thing. Oh, come on. And it's done. And when your friend told you that he need some woods, I see some woods in there. So many, so you should grab it. And that thing, wooden axe, and gonna. Wow, these are so many. Thank you, bro. Oh, come on. This is so many woods. And then, once you get in here, poof. Oh no, no. Oh, I'm dead. And and he's just gonna grow like that. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. And did you learn something? And thanks for watching. Also remember, please drop Please smash that like button and leave a comment, and please subscribe. Stay beautiful, my friend. Peace, my friend. Goodbye.